Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending January 4th of the new year 2023. The stock was DKNG. This is based on a 60-minute retest and failure and a daily major support area entry on a 1-minute DBS be the tail. Management advanced rewards risk 3.0 to 1 averaged out over 2 exits. Lots of stuff going on this week at DTS. Monday is the bi-weekly scanning night. Weighing the odds is going to be the DTS educational event. I consider this a educational / training event. This one is probably not going to be recorded, just so you know. You'll get more information on emails. Look for them this week, Wednesday the 11th at 5 o'clock. And then Friday begins the new cycle of the DTS seminar program. It always kicks off with the Friday Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis, which everyone is invited to. So if you're a DTS member, free member, you can come attend that event. It's from 12:30 to 5 on Friday, January 13th. And following that, then the next day, Saturday, begins the first of the 3 seminar live classes. But remember, there's also another home study, so you can really start anytime you want to. Let's get on with today's trade. Today's trade is going to be DKNG. Here's the daily chart for DKNG. All that the daily chart did was just kind of confirm that it had a little prior area it's reacting to. This is not necessarily a good trade on the daily chart. I'm not trading this as a swing trade. It's a day trade, and the daily chart just gave it a thumbs up to say it's okay to take for one day. Here's the more precise look on the hourly chart where the strategy usually resides for me, or at least the bigger concept resides. That's going to be that reaction to that area there on the hourly chart 2 days in a row. And then we're going to gap up just a little bit that particular day, open right there. You'll see that bottoming tail we actually pull back through here. That's going to become the entry through here. And then it had a nice little pop all the way to the prior day's highs, actually. 5-minute chart gives you a little better view of this. You can see here's where we open. I'm going to sneak in there somewhere. And good job on targets. The 5-minute chart here shows you the targets better. Target 1 and target 2 entry was over 1117, stop under 11. Target 1, 1172, target 2, 1178. This is some good target taking to get it up here this high. Once we got up in this area, this is what we call a power trend. And once that power trend ends, you want to be getting out because it usually is the top. It pretty much was in this case. Took target 1 and then target 2. I recognize this is just a retest. It wasn't going to go anywhere. Got out on a tight trail. Nice job on the targets. That's why it made a nice overall profit on this one. 1-minute chart, it shows you a little better on the entry. Not a big deal. Open there, a little free fall puke into the gap fill, and then it started to move out. I actually would have gotten in even earlier, but I wasn't staring at this as it filled that gap. I was looking at something else at the same time, so it was a little bit later on this entry than I normally would have been on this high confidence type of trade. I would have got in earlier if I could, but it turned out just fine. Both targets off the chart since the first target was taken around 12:30 or something like that, so it's off the chart on both of these next 2 targets. If you like trades like this that are well planned, discussed, and you can play along with, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Get over to that DTS homepage and you can figure out how you can join us in the DTS Trading Room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.